to see what was
Way to the
window. I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave a luster of midday to objects below. When, what to my wondering eye should appear, but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer. With the little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick. I don't need to be here at all.
More
More
rapid.
rapid than eagles, his coursers they came, and he whistled, shouted, and called them by name. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer, and on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner, and Blitzen.
To the top,
Just picture. To the top of the porch.
to the top of the wall.
Now
Now dash away, dash away, dash away all. As dry leaves before
As dry leaves before the wild hurricanes fly, when they meet with an obstacle
up
meant
to sky.
So, sit up, please.
So
up to the housetop, the coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys and
Saint Nicholas
too.
What is Saint Nicholas?
It's another name for Santa Claus.
Yeah.
And then in a twinkling, I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney, Saint Nicholas came down. You guys great. He was dressed all in fur, from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he had flung on his back, and he looked like a color just opening his ass. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry, his cheeks were like roses, his nose
Like a cherry. That doesn't rhyme.
cherry berry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a, and the beard on his chin was as the stump of his pipe he held tight in his teeth, and the smoke it encircled his head like a He had a broad face and a little
round belly.
that
Shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly.
funny how you laugh. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. A wink of his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, and filled all the stockings, and turned with a and laying a finger aside of his nose, and giving a nod,
Up the chimney he rose.
he sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle.
We don't have a chimney. What?
But let's finish. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."
He will go in the door.
What do we see? Sleigh track. There's sleigh tracks there, sleigh tracks there, sleigh tracks there. Sleigh on the and there's footprints. That was great, guys. Thanks for sharing your story.
Can you read the first 3 pages again?